Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. First tool review in the new section of my garage, and it's a very good time to review the Milwaukee M18 18-inch job site fan that they sent me out, and that's the reason why I wanted that was for this new section. My old section, I've got a mini split to help heat and cool that. If I'm doing some work up there, I can stay cool during the summertime. Out here, I don't have that option. It gets a little bit warm. It's starting to get warmer. I like to use fans whenever I'm working in places like that so that it can help cool me off while I'm doing that work. Keeps you a little bit less frustrated. But a cordless option for out here is going to be the best fit for me because I've got so many things out here. I don't want to be tripping over cords. Don't really want to mount something to the wall because I store my enclosed trailer out here. Sometimes that's going to block off that airflow. Cordless option allows me to just move it around wherever I'm doing the work, but also in my contracting job. So sometimes there's not power readily available. I've got some smaller battery powered fans, but sometimes maybe I need a little bit bigger one. That's where this one's going to come into play. And then also, if the power goes out, my AC is not working at my house, it's going to be nice to be able to take this thing inside, maybe get a little bit of airflow going. But I'm going to go over the specs. I'm going to show it to you on the settings. I'm going to show it to you kind of how far away that wind reaches, and then ultimately, again, help you decide if it's the right fit for you. This is one of the first tools where the box is actually big enough I won't have to zoom in much. So 50-foot reach, 13.5 mile an hour airspeed. I will try to show you the 50-foot reach as best I can. Brushless motor for increased life. 360-degree head rotation, so you can kind of see that here. I can sit here and spin this around 100%, 360 degrees. You don't have to go back and forth. Also a stackable design. I can't show you that because I only have one of those, but it does store easily if you have multiple and you need to transport them to job sites. You can come over here. It's impact and water and dust resistant. It does have that AC port, also that M18 battery port. There are your run times. It says up to 23 hours on low with a 12.0 and 9 hours with a 5.0, and then the lowest runtime on high is 5 hours with a 12, and then 2 hours with a 5.0. And then here's all the specs as far as if you want to check out the weight, sizes, all those kinds of things like that. But then once we move over to the fan itself, the 18-inch measurement for the 18-inch fan is the actual fan. So it's from here to here. That's 18 inches. The actual grill, the fan, all those kinds of things. Again, it's 23.5 from here to here for storage purposes outside this way. 26.5 from the top down to the bottom. As far as if you're going to store it somewhere, that's the kind of space that you have to have. So again, you have the Milwaukee logo up here. Over here on this side is where you're going to find the battery compartment. I've got a 12.0 forge we're going to put in there and use like that. The actual knob for the fan control, and again, it's 360-degree rotation. I don't have to move it around the other way. I can actually turn it this way. Access the fan controls down here at the bottom. Let me get it so you can see it. You have speed 0, that's off, 1, 2, and 3. So here's 1, 2, 3, 'Turn that off, let that start to slow down. I'm going to go ahead and pop the battery out because, again, you have the battery option, the cordless option, or you can flip it over here. You can see I have an AC as well. Now, my DeWin wheels little cord rail up here that I have out here, that's a 3-prong. This isn't ideal for that, but you can still, if you pick the side plug, plug that up and then come back down here to the switches. Come down here to 0, 1, 2, 3. So you can still use AC as far as for your power. If you're somewhere and it's available and you don't want to run out your batteries, you can still do that as well. I'm going to tie some ribbon onto the fan itself, turn it on that low, medium, and high, and let you see how far that moves, and then I'll show you the reach as far as how far away. So I'm going to start out on low. You can see those ribbons are starting to move a little bit. Still some dips in there. Not very loud when you're on low. The sound quality is pretty good as far as it wouldn't bug you in that kind of a space. Move up to number 2. Ribbon's definitely moving a little bit more, a little bit louder, a little bit more airflow. Move up to number 3. Ribbons are shaking pretty good and quite a bit of air coming out right there. So as far as the reach, it says it claims 50 feet. I don't have 50 feet to kind of gauge that. It's roughly 30 feet from my garage door behind you over there to the wall. So I'm going to go over here. I've got the fan pretty close to the garage door, not right up against it, so I can have some airflow. I'm going to turn it on high. Let that kick on. We're going to go all the way over here. You can kind of see ribbon is definitely moving. And I'm mostly showing you that because the box claimed 50 feet, but to be able to feel that fan from here all the way to that wall, that's farther away than I'm ever probably going to be from it. And the fact that it's cordless, you can easily just pick it up and move it and get a little bit closer. But I wanted to show it to you for that fact. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with it. The fact that it has that kind of wind speed and also that kind of reach to be able to get the air from here to there. But there you go, guys. There is the Milwaukee M18 18-inch job site fan. So if you're already in the M18 platform, maybe you're a homeowner, you've only got the small pack out fans, things like that, but you want an option so in case your AC goes out, something a little bit bigger to keep you cooler until you can get your AC fixed, this would be a good option for that. Or if you're a contractor who works on job sites, power's not readily available, you need a big fan, this would be a good option. Then you can always plug it up later if power becomes available. I love the fact that it is dual power. Or maybe you're like me and you just have a garage like this. You don't want your extension cord strung all over where you're working so you can trip on them. Not a good spot to mount it on the wall because you have different stuff in the way all the time. That's a good option because you can just pick it up and move it to wherever you're doing the work. But again, let me know in the comments below what you guys think about it. Maybe you've had this fan for quite some time. Let us know in the comments what you think about it as well. As always, I hope this video was helpful. You guys stay safe, have a blessed day, and I'll see you on the next video.